Unlocking the mysteries of the X-37B, SpaceX's first Falcon Heavy payload. In a world of constant innovation, SpaceX is redefining boundaries. The X-37B mission is the next giant leap in space exploration. The X-37B, an unmanned spaceplane, was SpaceX's first payload for the Falcon Heavy. A vehicle shrouded in mystery, its purpose remains undisclosed. Despite its enigmatic existence, the X-37B signifies a massive stride in space technology. A testament to SpaceX's commitment to pushing the limits. Propelled by Falcon Heavy, the most powerful operational rocket, the X-37B mission was a spectacle of engineering prowess and astronomical ambition. Although details are sparse, the X-37B's successful launch and return have generated much speculation. It's a tantalizing glimpse into SpaceX's future plans. Between the secrets of the X-37B and the power of Falcon Heavy, we're witnessing a new era of space exploration. Hold on tight, the ride is just beginning.